Hey friends, Hoover here. Some of y'all may know me, some of you may don't. But yeah, my name's Hoover, and I've been on staff here at Centenary for almost 2 years now. That is crazy. I've been around here for a little bit longer than that, but that's how long I've been on staff. And yeah, I'm here to give you guys a little bit of an update on my life, my story, where God's calling me, what I'm going to do next. So as of right now, and going forward, this will be my last semester on student ministry staff at Centenary with Encounter Student Ministry. Yeah, and that's been a challenging and a hard decision because of how much I love this place, how much I love you guys, how much I love my job. That's what I want to reiterate. Like, I love my job. That made it hard. It wasn't an easy decision, but through discerning, through prayer, through talking with my wife, through thinking about what we want our life to look like in 5-10 years, we felt like an opportunity presented itself. A door swung really wide open, and me and Haley are going to be confident and trust God and trust our discernment where He's calling us, and we're going to step into that door and move away from full-time vocational ministry here at Centenary. I want you guys to know that me not being on staff, Hoover not being on staff, does not mean Hoover is like plucked from your life. No, I'm very much still available, and me and Haley are still very much at Centenary, and we'll still be here on Sunday mornings. If we've connected and you have my cell number and you need me, just know I'm available. I was not here for a paycheck. I was here because I love you guys, and my love for you, and my love for ministry, and my love for this church has not changed. Just know I'm still going to be around. I love you guys so much. You'll never understand how much I love and care for you guys. And yeah. This isn't like a goodbye. This is more of this is what Hoover's life is looking like now. So yeah, I'll see you guys at high school camp. I'll see you on Wednesday nights. I love you, and I'll see you soon.